How to create a video intro with curtains opening up like this to reveal the content behind the curtains as they open up. And this is with the Inshot Video Editor app, so let's get started. From the Start menu, you'll go ahead and start with video. Then you'll select the video that you want to have appear behind the curtains as your video intro. So I'll go ahead and pull up one of mine here, and you do the same. I'm just going to select one of these to give you an idea of how it will work. Okay, so I'll select this one here. You can long press them to preview it so you know that that's the video you want to make use of. So I'll select it now. And once it's there, this is your main video. That's what's going to show behind the curtains. And this white line here, just make sure it's to the very beginning. And now you'll go to where it says PIP or picture-in-picture tool. While there, you'll go to where it says material right here. So select material. And you're looking for the tab section that says green screen. So in the top area here, if you start from the beginning here like this, you'll look for the one that says green screen. So make sure you're under green screen. And then you're looking for the video that has the curtains right there, that one right there. So you'll select it. And it's going to appear like that. So when it appears like that, you want to go ahead and select the fill tool, which is this right here. That's going to fill up the entire video frame like this, okay? So now that this is there, this is your curtains effect here, you'll go over to where it says chroma, okay? And when you select chroma, just make sure you are able to see some of this green here and make use of the chroma. So now I'll select chroma. And you'll move the circle just a little bit, make sure it's in the green area like this here, and you'll notice how it's revealing the content already behind the green. So adjust the strength here to reduce as much green as possible. I'd suggest to bring it up to at least 90%. And once you're done with all of this here, your video should look something like this here. Okay, curtains opening up, revealing the content behind of it. And that would be your video intro. So save it, adjust it to how you want it, like, sub, and thanks for watching.